Meet the Nexgrill one-burner cast aluminum tabletop grill. The rugged portable grill with a taste for adventure. With a heavy-duty corrosion-resistant cast aluminum lid and firebox, this Nexgrill is built to withstand the rigors of transport and the sizzling heat it generates everywhere it goes. When you're ready to cook, just turn on the gas, push the red button, and let the built-in ignition do the rest. This Nexgrill's 304-grade stainless steel burner delivers up to 10,000 total BTUs of flame-roasting energy for rapid, intense, and controlled heating. Its commercial-grade material and premium 1.2mm thickness come backed by a 5-year limited warranty and provide long-lasting performance for grill seasons to come. The cooking surface is equipped with durable cast-iron cooking grids built to retain heat exceptionally well and for quick and easy cleaning. And 203 square inches of cooking space under a dome lid leaves plenty of room for exploring all appetites. Ready to get grilling beyond the backyard? Let the grilling begin with the Nexgrill one-burner cast aluminum tabletop gas grill.